Hello, I'm going to show you how to install Castle App TV on Android phone. Since the Castle app is not available on Google Play Store, Android users must download it from an APK file. This method is fairly basic. However, certain measures should be taken to prevent problems. The following steps help ensure a smooth and secure installation. So first of all, go to your phone settings, look under security and toggle on install from unknown sources. This helps you download apps that are unavailable in the App Store. Next, click the download button to claim the latest Castle APK for Androids from our websites. The important thing is to save the file in the downloads folder. On the status bar, check to ensure that the download has been fully completed. To find this, open the Downloads folder or use any file manager application, tap on Castle APK, and then click on the Install button when it prompts you to do so. After installation, click on the Open button to start using the Castle app. You can also locate the app icon on your device's home screen or app directory. Open and consent is available for viewing as soon as it's opened. You can now start watching films, shows, and games on Castle without interruptions.